Welcome to Thunder Bay, a modern user management and approval system built for universities. Designed with efficiency and clarity in mind, Thunder Bay simplifies how academic institutions handle form submissions, advisor approvals, and user administration. Under the hood, it's powered by Django for backend logic and authentication, SQLite as the database, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a responsive and clean user interface, and LaTeX to generate official auto-filled PDF documents. The system handles full user management, including the ability for admins to create, edit, and delete accounts. It features a public-facing profile system, similar to social media where users can upload pictures, update bios, and view profile completion progress. We also support a full academic hierarchy, with users assigned to majors and colleges, and dynamic routing of forms to the correct advisors, with built-in support for role delegation and multi-level approval. Let me give you a quick walkthrough. Let's start with the sign-up process. Users can create an account by entering their basic info and including Cougar ID, academic level, and selecting their major from a dynamically filtered drop-down after choosing their college. This ensures users are accurately assigned to their department level unit. In addition to traditional sign-up, Thunder Bay also supports user migration from the legacy Bancroft user management system. We implemented a secure API integration that verifies Bancroft user credentials and pulls over key profile information like full name, email, and academic role. Once authenticated, Bancroft users are prompted to complete their profile in Thunder Bay and are then fully onboarded into our new approval system, with no manual re-registration needed. This allows departments still using Bancroft to transition smoothly without disrupting student access or advisor workflows, and ensures data consistency across platforms. Once logged in, users are greeted by a personalized dashboard. Here they can track their recent form submissions, view statuses, and download PDFs of approved or pending documents. Users also have access to their personal profile page, where they can upload a profile picture, add a short bio, and see how complete their profile is. This makes the platform feel more personal and connected, like an academic social platform. Now let's explore one of the core features of Thunder Bay, academic form submission. From this centralized forms page, users can view available request types, preview the PDF versions, and begin filling out official documents, all from one place. Each form includes a short description and a preview thumbnail so students know exactly what they're submitting. Students can also upload a digital image of their signature directly from this page. This signature is automatically embedded into all submitted PDF forms, giving them an official signed look without requiring printing or scanning. Clicking Fill Out Form takes the user to a custom dynamic form view, where their information is automatically pre-filled. When a user first fills out a form, its status is set to draft, allowing them to save and return later. Behind the scenes, Thunder Bay generates an official PDF version of the form using LaTeX. This PDF includes the student's inputs and signature, making it ready for advisor review. Once they're ready, they can submit it for review, changing the status to pending. At the bottom of the page, users can track all their submitted forms. Each card displays key information, such as the form type, request details, approval status, and a downloadable PDF version. Now let's talk about the approval process, one of Thunder Bay's most powerful features. Submitted forms are routed automatically to the appropriate advisor based on the user's department or college. Thunder Bay supports a multi-level approval hierarchy. Major-level advisors can approve requests only from their assigned major. College-level advisors can approve any request within their college, regardless of major. And academic administrators have full access to approve or return any request system-wide. Advisors and administrators can visit the user's page to oversee all user accounts and pending form submissions. This interface is permission-based, so only authorized roles can access and act on this data. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the Pending Form Submission section. Each row displays the requester's name, college, form type, submission date, and a direct link to preview the official PDF version of the request. Advisors can either approve the form, sending it to the next level in the workflow, or return it for revisions with feedback. All actions are logged, ensuring full transparency and auditability. In addition to managing approvals, the user's page also supports public-style profile browsing. Hovering over a user's name or profile picture reveals a preview of their info, and clicking opens their full profile page. This fosters a more connected and interactive environment across departments and encourages profile engagement. Thunder Bay delivers a full suite of features for managing academic workflows, including user registration, form submission, PDF generation, multi-tier approvals, and system-wide role delegation, all within a secure and user-friendly interface. From back-end logic to front-end design, from form routing to dynamic PDF output, Thunder Bay is a complete academic management solution built to scale. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of Thunder Bay.